Starting around the 14th of June 2023, AMP generally is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.06% in very most recent 60-minute, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. AMP generally has a genuinely all-out market cap of $85,171,762 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,367,056, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. This certainly makes AMP genuinely positioning at 255 in the digital currency market, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP truly be worth in 2023, which by and large is very critical. Is AMP in every practical sense, wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, which essentially is very huge? Will AMP cost in every practical sense outperform its untouched high in an unpretentious way? These especially are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP value expectation 2023 is per the AMP gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the AMP cost generally is supposed to basically cross a normal value level of $0. The normal kind of least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to truly be $0 in unobtrusive manner. Besides, AMP can arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0. So will AMP cost outperform its untouched high in a significant manner? AMP value estimate June 2023. The AMP cost for June 2023 may in a real sense arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0. The sort of greatest gauge cost in a real sense is around $0. Or so they in a real sense thought. The typical cost for AMP in every practical sense is most certainly anticipated to essentially reach $0 June 2023 in an especially significant way. AMP value figure July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of AMP is fundamentally anticipated to by and large arrive at in every way that really matters. Normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0, at least $0, a sort of huge manner. AMP value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, AMP cost by and large is estimate to in a real sense arrive at in a real sense the most reduced cost of $0, or so they for the most part thought. The AMP cost could essentially arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0, the exceptionally normal expected cost around $0, a sort of significant manner. AMP value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the genuinely most extreme cost for AMP could in every practical sense stretch around $0, which especially is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of AMP in September 2023 truly is $0, an exceptionally normal cost of $0, exhibiting the AMP value gauge July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of AMP especially is by and large anticipated to arrive at an essentially normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0 or for the most part least of $0, which sort of is very critical. AMP value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of AMP really is supposed to be at around a sort of least of $0, or so they generally thought. AMP cost can in every practical sense arrive at a truly limit of $0, the all things considered, normal cost of $0 USD, or so they truly thought. AMP value expectation November 2023. AMP cost in a real sense is supposed to truly reach between $0 November 2023, while the fundamentally normal cost of AMP for the November truly remains around $0 value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of AMP for the most part is basically anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $0, at least $0, in an unobtrusive manner. AMP pretty past value examination in every practical sense. Recent hours, the crypto generally has been most certainly diminished by 0.13% in its genuinely current worth in a by and large enormous manner. Assuming we generally analyze the by and large current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap sort of is additionally down. AMP explicitly is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins. The AMP by and large is down to nearly 14.38% in the especially most recent 7 days, showing how AMP certainly is confronting an exceptionally difficult time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins in an especially significant manner. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for genuinely past genuinely couple of days. The coin could especially have areas of strength for extremely yet. We don't in a real sense believe that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, which certainly is genuinely huge. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP in every practical sense diminished by 49.576%, dispensing with an astounding certainly normal amount of $0 its extremely current worth. or so they essentially thought. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a sort of good basically purchase an open door for certainly speedy venture, exhibiting that AMP value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, AMP cost in a real sense is estimate to essentially arrive at in a real sense the least cost of $0, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 58.75%, and the cost generally circled from an especially least especially normal cost of $0 especially most extreme kind of average cost of $0 the most part beyond 90 days, showing how besides AMP can basically arrive at a very greatest value level of $0. So will AMP cost really outperform its unsurpassed high? AMP generally is somewhere near 35.15% with the kind of greatest kind of normal cost of the coin especially was around $0. The base most certainly normal cost of basically was around $0 lovely beyond 4 months, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. AMP value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will in a real sense be AMP really worth in 2023? Which fundamentally is very critical. The AMP cost is gauged to in a real sense arrive at an essentially most extreme degree of $0 kind of least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, which shows that AMP value gauge June 2023. The AMP cost for June 2023 may truly arrive at a truly least worth of $0. The genuinely greatest determined cost really is around $0 in especially significant manner. Does AMP in every way that really matters have a future in a very enormous way? As far as value, AMP really has a remarkable certainly potential to arrive at new levels in an unpretentious manner especially. It for the most part is gauged that AMP will increment in esteem, which basically is very huge. As per in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business experts, AMP can generally raise a ruckus around town of the greatest cost of 8 cents till 2030, which truly is genuinely huge. Is AMP extremely worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? AMP's worth explicitly is supposed to sort of keep on growing, as lack will in general especially empower cost rise, showing how in the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the AMP cost forecast finish of 2023, what will AMP especially be really worth in 2023 in an especially significant manner? If it's not too much trouble, note, there generally is a gamble to any speculation, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Only in every way that really matters. Put resources into what you can essentially achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the sort of most extreme examination conceivable, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking.